Hi, welcome to heavywehicleinspection.com. In this training video, we will talk about how to get your inspection document from the Android mobile app or tablet to the web portal. So this feature is especially useful if you have your machinery at different geographical locations and you have your field operators or remote site person and they are submitting an inspection document or they are submitting any incident related to machinery, how they can utilize the Android application, and the document comes back to the web portal. So a fleet of 100 vehicles, and let's say you have 500 people working, they all can be utilizing the Android app connected to the single system, and they could see their vehicle, they could generate an inspection document, create a maintenance request, or change the status of vehicle over the inventory, and have a continuous communication utilizing the mobile capabilities and the cloud systems. So if you already have our Android application for heavy vehicle inspection, you can always go on the heavywehicleinspection.com and you do the launch portal. Now that will get you to a login screen. Now if you already have your email and passcode, and that is based on your subscription. If you do not have, you can always go and fill your details and click on the view demo. That will get you to the demo system where you could see all the details and experience a fleet of 50 vehicles, how you operate them. So I'm already logged in on another screen. So this would be your first screen for the web portal. Now in this training video, we are only focusing that how and what it takes to get a new record. So I have my Android phone, that's a Samsung Galaxy S8, and I have the heavy vehicle inspection application. And there I would be submitting a new inspection record as a remote operator. So it's just going to take me a minute. I'm starting a new inspection. Uh, I'm selecting a CAT 5230. So it's a Caterpillar machine, or let me change it to a forklift. All right. So we're going to go ahead with this CAT 5230. Start the inspection. I go on the daily checklist and I'm going to look for the engine oil and I say it's in the good condition. And then I'll take the brake fluids and I'm doing a quick inspection. So in that I will put no comments but rather simple status. So we're going to say it need to be replaced. And I'm going to go ahead and submit this request. So I'll initiate a maintenance. So maintenance required. And I would make it as a high priority maintenance due to the engine. And then in the notes, I will just put the notes. I'll have the maintenance done probably next week. So I use the text to speech feature where you just speak over and the system will write the comments. I do an inspection signature. Now I'm submitting that record from my Android device. And I just submitted that. I'm going to refresh it. And we see that record. The record number 52 is for the CAT 5230 and maintenance required. Once I click on that, we would not see this new button. So this is a feature where the back office person would easily and visually can see that, okay, there is a new inspection document and he need to act on it. I marked that as a maintenance required, and we will see if we have those details. So I put two items, brake fluid for the replacement, and the engine I marked as good, so there is no repair. And the overall comments I said will have to maintenance done probably next week. So all of that information immediately got updated and available over the system in less than 30 seconds. Here we can go ahead and download that inspection document and we can view it. As I said, it was just a quick inspection, so I took two items, brake fluid, engine oil. I marked brake fluid for replacement, which the document indicates. So it's fairly simple process. Now the advantage with the web portal we get is that over this document, now I can go ahead and create a work order. We can have the status based on we just initiated. If it is an emergency and it's already work in progress, we can set it in progress. And we can mark the specific items. So the brake fluid, is it already done? It's on hold, or it's complete. So it just make it simple for the person to review it. And this all information is available on the Android app as well. So the person, operator, can always check where is the status of his machinery. Is it ready or it's in the process? So this gives the overall visibility to the entire maintenance and operations workforce. And in the vehicle inventory, we can always check on the SCAT 5 to machinery. We can go ahead and check the status. We marked it maintenance planning in progress. We can go ahead and change the process. So the machine is already done. Is it assigned to a vendor? What's going on? So I guess in this way, what idea we would like to demonstrate is that over the dashboard, the web portal can handle multiple machinery inspection documents. Hundreds of operators could utilize our software to submit the inspection document, and the back office can receive them within few seconds. So it's a great visibility over the system, overall operations of the maintenance and general operations. So that's all we want to cover in this video. Thank you for watching it. Have a good day.